Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are Japan business card template. You can easily download from our website GFX. I will leave the download link in the description, and here it is a mineral file. You need to extract this and you get this folder, and here this mineral file, double star format and EPS format, and here double star format. Just let me give you a quick review. And here it is completely customizable, and you can see you can also change your own username, domain, and own website, and completely own identity, change colors, shapes, and so on. And here is the other card. Here it is. So very same card in EPS format. You can see this is EPS viewer. You download from the link in the description and just click here, and you can download from here. Just download and wait for it to be loaded and start download. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.